Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center, home of the lifetime powertrain warranty. Today's special is a 2014 GMC Sierra SLE Crew Cab 4-wheel drive, stock number Z9358B. Only 43,000 miles on this one owner. Local trade, clean auto check history report. Onyx black in color. You do receive the Sheboygan Chevy Chrysler exclusive lifetime powertrain warranty. This Sierra seat 6, cloth interior. Lots of legroom for the rear passengers. Split seat bottoms flip up for additional cargo space. Rear defrost for excellent visibility. The Sierra is a very safe vehicle. 5-star front and side government crash rating. With backup camera, locking tailgate, trailering package. That backup camera is perfect for hooking up a trailer without any assistance. Bed liner for protection as well as easy cleaning. Step bars make it easy to get in and out, especially for kids or shorter passengers. This SLE has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, power driver's seat, along with the tilt and telescopic steering wheel, puts you in that perfect driving position. Shift in the fly 4-wheel drive with auto setting and integrated trailer brake control. Ages, again only 43,000 miles. The driver information system, controlled by buttons on the steering wheel, cruise control, automatic transmission with manual shift capability as well as tow haul mode, large touchscreen infotainment system for radio, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect to other Bluetooth-enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming, navigation, and that is, of course, where the backup camera display is. Dual-zone automatic temperature control. Make sure everyone's comfortable. Cup holders and storage in the armrest. Otherwise, up and out of the way for middle passenger, with even more storage below. Dual glove boxes with all the owner's materials. Overhead, home link transmitter for garage door opener. Under the hood, the Sierra is a 5.3 liter V8, 355 horsepower, and just as clean under the hood as the rest of the truck. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 16 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 22 on the highway, and ready to go with new brakes and new tires. For more information on this Sierra, please go to Sheboygan Auto.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.